WHR stock analysis and WHR stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Whirlpool Corporation stock sitting at almost 13% off for the day. It's cool, very decent price. This is how the price, I mean, I've never made a video on this in the past, so let's actually see where we're sitting from here. Pretty big of a retracement on the weekly chart. I mean, I can see we've been going down for like 3+ years, almost 4. And the real bullish trend for me will always just show up if there is like a full candle close above 116.15. If that starts happening, oh yeah, then is when I'm actually gonna start to consider those buys. But that doesn't mean that I can now even look for those buys potentially from this demand area. So it's all just a perspective that you're looking to take. And honestly, I'm here potentially looking for that buy. So if it pulls back into my demand areas and gives me that double break, well, I guess I'll keep buying. You know, it's really that simple. So I'll put like a little confirmation here, a little waiting sign, and that's it. So if you want to learn how to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.